What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Fashion Tip Fridays, but today we're going to do things a little different. I'm actually out traveling right now, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to share my travel backpack and my packing strategy. Now, I know this isn't exactly fashion related, hair's not looking great, and I just came out from a rainy day, but I am big on functionality, so that's why I want to share this. So I have here my backpack, which is the Osprey Fairpoint 55-liter backpack. This backpack is amazing, and I pretty much take this thing everywhere I go. This backpack is great because not only is 55 liters a lot of volume and a lot of space to carry a lot of things, but also just having a backpack makes it so that it's very ergonomic, comfortable, and convenient. So usually with travel backpacks, you have the ergonomic hip strap here to hook around your hips and your pelvis so that it takes a lot of load off your shoulders. But the coolest thing about this backpack specifically is that it's actually a 2-in-1 backpack. In the front here, you can actually detach this day pack. So as you can see, I just do a little unzipping here, and it becomes a detachable day pack. This becomes a 2-in-1. I bring this out when I go out on my day trips or day hikes or whatever it may be, but I still have this large backpack here to carry most of my things. So with this backpack here, there's actually 2 specific travel hacks I want to discuss. So the first hack is that when I attach the day pack back on, this is obviously one backpack, which means I have another room for another personal carry-on. So I have one big backpack and one personal carry-on. This is technically 3 carry-ons for the value of 2. The second travel hack is that, again, this is a 55 liter, which is actually quite large. Technically, this is not carry-on size, but to be honest, I've actually personally gotten away with it many times. I've flown with Delta, America, Southwest, and all of their cabins have been able to accommodate for this larger backpack. Now, I will say this, again, I've been very fortunate and lucky to be able to get away with bringing this thing many times, but just because it worked for me, I can't promise that it'll work for you either, so just keep that in mind. Just to show you the inside, a lot of space, and just to make it convenient, I packed these packing cubes that I found on Amazon, also for pretty cheap, and the nice thing also is that it's a nice neon green to match the interior of the backpack. So a couple of packing cubes to compartmentalize your clothes, and you're all set. So just to recap, traveling with a travel backpack was a game changer for me. After having experienced a travel backpack, I don't think I could ever travel with a luggage or rolling luggage or a duffel bag ever again. It's super convenient, easy on your shoulders, easy on your body, and you can really fit a lot of things in here. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fashion Tip Fridays. And again, every other Friday, I discuss fashion tips, hacks, trends, and things of that sort. Be sure to check out my 2 previous episodes here and here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.